Hello everyone, welcome to AlignBooks.
Meet Priya. She runs a small but popular fashion store. Business is good, but she knows one thing can make it even better: smart offers that bring customers back.
Today, Priya decides to run a limited-time festive discount on items, but without the chaos of manual tracking or confusing price changes. With AlignBooks coupon management feature, she creates a custom coupon code in minutes. She sets the discount, defines the dates, and that's it. The coupon is live across her POS system instantly. Now, every time a customer uses Festive 20, the discount applies automatically. No extra typing, no errors. Let's set up your coupon in AlignBooks. Open the Point of Sale module, then POS Masters. Select POS Coupon Master. Click on the Create New POS Coupon Master button. Start by entering the code number. This is the unique identifier for your coupon. Next, set the valid up to date. This defines how long the coupon will be active. Now, choose how the discount should be calculated. Select whether it's based on a percentage or a fixed amount. Let's go with percentage for this example. In the value field, enter the discount percentage you want to offer. For example, 10%. Then, enter the max amount. This is the highest discount a customer can receive using this coupon. Under Use Type, choose whether the coupon can be used only once or multiple times. Finally, if the discount should apply to a specific set of products, then select the appropriate item set. If not, you can leave this field blank. Click on the Save button. Now, you need to enable a field for the coupon code discount so that the discounted amount gets posted correctly. To enable this field, click on the Configuration icon, then select Company Setup. Next, open the Sales Setup and scroll down to the Billing Setup, document level. Here you can customize up to 3 fields. Start by entering the field name. In Tax Behavior, choose whether the coupon code should apply before tax or after tax. Select the calculation type as Fixed Amount. Under Calculation On, choose the value on which the coupon discount should be calculated. For Posting Ledger, select Discount Allowed. In the next option, select Deduct so that the discount is subtracted from the invoice value. Under Rate Based On, choose Document Wise, as the coupon should apply to the entire document, not to a specific party. Once all fields are set, click on the Save button. Now, let's see how to apply this coupon code in an invoice. Open the Point of Sale module and select the POS invoice option. Choose the counter, customer, and other required details. Then, load the items. Here, you can see that the taxable value is 20,000 rupees. According to the setup, the coupon code provides a 10% discount with a maximum value of 1,500 rupees. Based on the taxable value, 10% of 20,000 rupees is 2,000 rupees. But since the maximum discount allowed is 1,500 rupees, that's what will be applied. You can now see the custom field for the coupon code that we configured earlier. To apply the coupon, scroll down the screen. On the right-hand side, you'll find the coupon code field. Enter the coupon code and click on the Apply button. In the coupon discount field, you'll see that the system has automatically applied the maximum discount of 1,500 rupees. That's how your coupon code will be used in case of percentage-wise discount. Let's also look at what happens if you select Coupon Calculation based on Amount. In the Value field, you need to enter the coupon amount. For example, enter 1,000. In this case, you can skip the Max Amount field. Save the coupon details. Now, when you generate the invoice and apply the coupon, the discount will be taken as 1,000, as specified in the Coupon Value field. That's how, with AlignBooks, you can create your own coupons and turn every offer into an opportunity. To book a demo, call us or visit our website, alignbooks.com. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.